Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. Sundays are my reset days, the calm before the storm, when I take a little time to get intentional, map out my week, and clear my mind so I can start my Monday feeling grounded and focused. And since it's the holiday season, I'm adding a little festive twist to my usual routine. Think cozy vibes, peppermint coffee, and slowing down while still staying productive. If you love realistic planning routines and that let's get our life together energy, go ahead and hit that like button and let's jump right in. The first thing I always do is set the tone. For me, that means a cozy space, a clean desk, and my favorite candle burning, usually something that smells like pine or vanilla this time of year. I try to remind myself this isn't about doing everything. It is just about creating space for clarity. And I also find that being cozy, calm, it makes this a ritual that I want to continue to do week after week. And that's what you see here on this channel. Next up is no big shocker. It's my brain dump. If you've been here a while, you know this is where I start every single week. I take out everything that's living in my head, work tasks, family events, appointments, errands, holiday shopping lists, all of it. Getting it out of my head and onto paper makes it so much easier to breathe and see what actually matters. And since it's December, I also add holiday-specific reminders like gift wrapping, school events for my son, brand deadlines for Luxxe marketing and Amy June lashes, and any last-minute to-dos before the year ends. Once my brain dump is done, I move everything into my planner. I always start by checking my Google Calendar since my husband and I share it for family things. Then I color code green for family, blue for Luxxe marketing, pink for Amy June lashes, purple for YouTube, and yellow for personal or home tasks. This step is where I see if I've overcommitted or need to shift things around, because during the holidays, I always try to give myself a little bit more grace, especially since I host Thanksgiving, I host Christmas, and things rarely go perfectly, and that's okay. I also like to pick one focus word for the week, something like presence or peace. It helps me stay grounded when life starts to feel like a to-do list. Next, I plan out our dinners for the week. I like to go to my local grocery store's website. They have a ton of recipe ideas there, and I'll add the ingredients straight to my cart. This saves time and helps me plan meals that use similar ingredients so nothing goes to waste. During December, I'll throw in 1 or 2 cozy comfort meals like a soup or a pasta night, and something easy for busy days when I'm editing or filming like crock pot chicken tacos. If you guys want to see any of my recipes, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to have my team get them up on my website. Once my plan is done, I spend about 30 to 45 minutes resetting the house, just enough to make Monday morning feel lighter. That might be me switching a load of laundry, wiping down all the countertops, or putting fresh sheets on the bed. I'll usually throw on a cozy playlist or a Hallmark movie in the background to keep it relaxing and fun. Before I wrap up, I take a few minutes to write in my gratitude journal. This helps me slow down and actually feel the season. Honestly, I wish I did this every single week, but we're transparent here and I do not make time for this every single week, but maybe it'll be one of my New Year's resolutions. I just like slowing down instead of rushing through it. I'll jot down 3 things that I'm thankful for, big or small, and honestly, that's what keeps me grounded when life gets so hectic. So that's my cozy Sunday reset for the holidays, a simple, intentional way to start the week feeling peaceful, but still on top of things. I do tweak my weekly planning session and routines every so often, so if you found this video inspiring, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you love productivity, routines, and a little bit of cozy real life content. And if you're already planning your 2026 goals, stay tuned. My New Year reset video is coming so soon. Thanks again for being here. I appreciate you so much, more than you'll ever know. Happy holidays, and I'll see you soon. Bye.